The UN agency concerned with the safety and peaceful use of nuclear technology is answer B. International Atomic Energy Agency. How many former republics of USSR have become members of the Commonwealth of Independent States? Answer A. 11. The headquarters of World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO is located in answer D. Geneva. The International Court of Justice, popularly known as the answer A. World Court. Which among the following would give more weightage to India's proposal for a permanent member in the Security Council? Answer A. Nuclear capability. Which one of the following is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council? Answer B. India. How many non-permanent members does the UN Security Council have? Answer C. 10. Which of the following is the headquarters of World Trade Organization WTO? Answer B. Geneva. The original member nations that signed the Charter of the United Nations back in 1945 were answer C. 51. The UN's most visible public figure and the representative head is the answer B. Secretary General. India became a member of the UN in answer A. 1945. First Indian to make a speech in Hindi before the UN General Assembly is answer B. Vajpayee. The headquarters of UNESCO is at answer B. Paris. Who was the first woman president of the UN General Assembly? Answer C. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Which among the following would give more weightage to India's proposal for permanent membership in the Security Council? Answer D. India's growing economic power and stable political system. Which of the following is used as the logo of the Worldwide Fund for Nature WWF? Answer B. Panda. How many judges are there in the International Court of Justice? Answer A. 15 judges. The more weightage to India's proposal for permanent membership in the Security Council is answer D. India's growing economic power and stable political system. Which of the following is not associated with the UNO? Answer C. ASEAN. Expand IAEA. Answer C. International Atomic Energy Agency. Trygve was the first Secretary General from answer B. Norway. When was World Trade Organization was set up? Answer C. 1995. The Indian delegation to the first World Conference on Human Rights was led by answer A. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Which of the following is not a member of G8? Answer B. China. How many countries are members of the UN? Answer C. 192. Which of the following organizations is meant for children? Answer B. UNICEF. Which of the following countries is not a member of Group 15 developing countries? Answer D. Bolivia. Who is the single largest contributor of the UN? Answer D. America. Which of the following has veto power in the Security Council? Answer A. America. Which of the following is a genuine contender for becoming a permanent member of Security Council? Answer C. India. Which UN body deals with population problem? Answer A. UNFPA. Which of the following is not a chief organ of the United Nations organizations? Answer A. International Labour Organization. The United Nations was founded on Answer A. 24 October 1945. The main objectives of International Atomic Energy Agency are to promote the peaceful use of Answer A. Nuclear energy. WTO is serving as the successor to which of the following organizations? Answer A. General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs. How many countries are members of the UN? Answer C. 192. When did India join UN? Answer C. 30 October 1945. When was the World Bank established? Answer A. 1944. Who has used the least veto power? Answer D. China. Antonio Guterres was the former Prime Minister of which country? Answer D. Portugal.